probably been lied to about leather your entire life. Let me explain. The leather industry is extremely confusing and is not regulated. Most people think genuine leather is high quality leather, and it's not. Let me explain the different qualities of leather that exist. The highest quality leather that money can buy is full grain leather. Full grain leather is the top layer of the leather that is in its natural state. So it will absorb all the oils in your hand, any moisture in the air. It will create a beautiful patina over time. At Monte & Co, we only use full grain leathers. The second highest quality leather that you can get is top grain leather. So top grain leather is the second layer. So essentially it's sanded or buffed. Typically the buffed leather is finished with some sort of oil or chemical, and it still allows the leather to patina over time, but not as much as full grain leather. The third layer, which is the dermal layer, which is underneath the most beautiful part of the leather, is we call this split leather, which is typically suede, or companies sometimes mix it with PU and then emboss it to make it look like leather. Technically, all three layers of this leather is considered genuine, because genuine just means that it comes from a cow, but the quality that you're looking for is full grain or top grain. Let's discuss full grain versus top grain. As mentioned before, full grain leather is the highest quality leather. And why it's so beautiful is because the hide is like art. You can see all the natural blemishes in the leather here. This leather will absorb all of the natural elements and patina and look beautiful over time. It's what makes it very unique. And another thing on why full grain leather is the best is because of its durability. Because it's in its natural state and it's not being sanded or buffed, it will be the most durable leather available, and it will last a lifetime if taken care of. Top grain leather, it's buffed. So the whole hide will look uniform, it will look the exact same, and every product that goes out will look the exact same. So you're not actually buying a unique piece. Even though it's still high quality leather, it is still nothing like the full grain leather that we use at Monte & Co. Last but not least, the last type of leather that you can buy is bonded leather, which is not leather at all. This would be the last quality that is not even considered genuine leather. It is essentially just scraps from leather that it is glued and essentially pressed together and embossed to make it look like leather, but it is the lowest quality. It's essentially plastic and it will fall apart immediately. We get a lot of questions about vegan leather, and the honest truth about vegan leather is that most of it is just plastic. The industry has been marketed very well, but most of it is just a byproduct of plastic, and then people call it leather, a vegan leather, when it's just a byproduct of plastic. People feel like they are making a difference because it's better for the environment, but you're actually just creating more plastic that will end up in a landfill. Unlike leather, which is a byproduct of the meat industry, we are fully using the entire animal, and it's something that will last a lifetime. And if the leather is treated properly, it is actually biodegradable. At the end of the day, this isn't about the best leather. It's about understanding what you're paying for, because words like vegan and genuine don't always mean what you think they do. All right, Danny, are we done here?
Yeah, looks good to me.